Hello guys, it's Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to talk about this DecoColor Premium Gold Paint Marker from Uchida. And this paint marker is made in Japan, but for this one I just bought it from Amazon for 6.61 pounds. So this is an oil-based opaque metallic paint marker, and the description says, this pen produces a rich metallic finish with great opacity. And the metallic finish reflects light and it's great for living. Perfect. And now it's time for us to try this, but I can't open it. So before using this, you need to shake it. Shake. And then open the lid. And then you need to press the tip against your paper or against the surface until you see the ink flowing or the tip gets saturated, and then you're ready to go. And obviously, as you can see, I've done it already, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's try this. I will just make lines. Ooh, look at that. Another line. Maybe I'll do like 5 lines. What do you think? OMG guys, this paint marker is amazing, and the metallic finish, it's stunning. Just wow. Seriously guys, I've tried so many gold paint markers before and they're all promising to produce this gorgeous metallic finish, but most of them they failed. But this DecoColor paint pen guys, this is a game changer, I swear. So now guys, I'm going to create a Kintsugi art using this pen. Keep watching. Finished with my Kintsugi art here guys, and really I love the cold color of this paint marker. It's so easy to use and I highly recommend this product. Promise you won't regret. Guys, after using DecoColor paint marker, seriously, I must say this is one of the best I have ever seen. The gold looks like gold. It might not be as shiny as the actual gold leaf, but for this one guys, it provides fabulous coverage, gives you a professional gold leaf metal finish, and it's perfect to me. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe, like and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.